The best iPhone ever made. Words you hear every year. And this iconic title falls to the iPhone 15 Pro Max in 2023. If you must have the best one, this is it. And you've probably pre-ordered it, and this review is now over. But if you need to know if this iPhone is worth the hype, we shall get down to business and put the iPhone 15 Pro Max through its paces. There are more important new features, of course. The new Apple A17 Pro chip sounds quite impressive with its improved processor and a brand new console-grade GPU with ray tracing. The long-overdue switch to USB-C has finally happened, coming with support for USB 3 speeds at that. Oh, and the main 48MP camera has been improved to shoot at 24MP and to offer additional focal lengths, 28mm and 35mm. Body, 159.9 by 76.7 by 8.3mm, 221G, glass front, Corning-made glass back. Display, 6.70-inch LTPO Super Retina XDR OLED, 120Hz, HDR10, Dolby Vision, 1000 nits, TYP, 2000 nits, HBM, 1290x2796px resolution, memory, 256GB 8GB RAM, 512GB 8GB RAM, 1TB 8GB RAM, NVMe. Rear camera, wide, main 48MP, f/1.8, 24mm, January 1, 28-inch, 1.22m, dual-pixel PDAF, sensor shift. Front camera, wide, main 12MP, f/1.9, 23mm, 1/3.6-inch, PDAF, OIS, depth, SL3D. Battery, 4,441 mAh, wired, 50% in 30 minutes, advertised, 15W wireless, MagSafe, 7.5W wireless, Qi, reverse wired. Connectivity, 5G, eSIM, Dual SIM, Wi-Fi 6E, BT 5.3, NFC. Miscellaneous, Face ID, accelerometer, gyro, proximity, compass,